Hey, what's going on, guys? You're joining me in the shed today. I just got this engine out a couple days ago, and I figured out that not all the coils are actually like good. So I got my package that just came in today. Got some new spark plug coils, so that's good. They're just gonna be inserted right here, but yeah, you guys want to hear how bad these are? Literally snapped off because it got so hot. When I took that spark plug off, this plug literally just broke. It just sheared. So, yeah, these things are so freaking brittle. I don't know when they were put in when the car was built, but dang, these things need to be replaced. So, that's what I'm going to be doing today, replacing these little coils. So, we'll see how that goes. Well, that wasn't too bad. Still don't know exactly. Side. Look at that. That's supposed to be rubber. I can't even bend it without feeling like I'm gonna break it. It feels like ceramic. What the hell? Oh, that went in easy. Maybe. Yep. I could run the wire through, but I'll just do these two on the side. Alright, that's one. Smells like plastic. Gotta love it. Whoa. That one's a little bit jammed in there. Alright. That's good. Should fit right there. Let's just see if she fits on pretty good. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. The next ones I'll just run right through the side, but yeah, that shit's not supposed to come out. I don't know what black crap just fell out of there, but might just been in this, but yeah, it's not supposed to fall apart when you touch it. Yeah, hopefully. Oh yeah, we'll have to test that out in another video. This big one right here. It's the starter. So should have tested that out, but get this Girl Scout on, and we'll see how she goes. We fully put the process together. Alrighty. There's one. There's two. Okay. Now we got these two boys on there. Okay. Okay, so there's certain lengths. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I must got this one might be that side. Hold on, people, bear with me. There's a length distinguishing factor. Okay, so this is the long side. Okay, which one of these big ones are a little longer than each other? Right, let's check. So these ones, same length, looks like. Note these ones. Okay, those are same length. This one a little longer. One might be a little longer. Yeah. It's that one, okay. So long boys go over there. But the short guys, is there a little bit of a difference? Let me check. Nope, these are the exact same, okay. So these guys just, oop, that was almost bad. Good thing I didn't do that. Alright. Perfect. Easy enough. Okay. Come on now, get in there. There we go. These guys will go over there. This guy goes right through the top. Come on now. Get in there. Alright. Right through the top. Okay, gotta check these ones again. Okay, the one on the right is longer. So we're gonna take this one. Fish line that boy right through the back, like yonder. Take her right up. Now you're coming into right on here. Feed her right through the top gap. Now we're cemented. And now you take this guy, you throw him around. You guys didn't know the boxer engines are on the side, so like two here, two here. So yeah, that's how she goes there. And you take the next one, you feed that one right through the back. Like so. Oh shit, she got caught up like here a little bit there. Oh no there, it ain't good. It's alright. Is it? Oh boy, yeah, she got caught up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on now, girl. Get on through. You know you want to go. Go to your home. Go to your home. There we go. Now she goes all right on this side. We take the end in. We turn her just a little bit. Sure there's no dirt. Put her right back on there. Now you got a genuine coil replacement. So that's good. Now we get to test her. Now what? You got a hand crank, so we gotta go. Can I move this bad boy? Oh no, she's got a hammer on there. She ain't gonna turn it. There. That's how she goes. So that was our genuine replacement. But now we're gonna test out the starter and see if the starter runs. So we're gonna get on that. Bring you guys up a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna test out the starter now. I haven't tried this bad boy out. I don't know if it's working. The engine wasn't turning, so that wasn't good. But anyways, I'm gonna have to order a new one in, because if you see that right here, see how that's chipped? Yeah, that ain't good. That is severely diminished little gear right there. She might have to go in for retirement. I don't think she's gonna be able to be fixed. Good thing is though, the flywheel back there, that thing's working just fine. There's no chips on that, so we're good. But if for that one, gonna have to mess with that one just a little bit. This one's overpriced though, so this one right here. We got these coils all set up and whatnot. So now we got electricity for the spark plugs. Now we got to test these bad boys out. Well, we got to see if they fit. Yeah, okay. These guys fit. So that's good. Might have to get an air compressor in yonder, because I don't think spark plugs are supposed to be that dirty right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but ooh, that ain't looking too good. Yeah, that's pretty, that's a dirty one right there. But yeah. Well, that was quicker than expected. So I'm actually going to try the starter on this video as well, because that was just like really easy for some reason. So yeah, this is what we're going to be trying to do today. Messing with the doll. Good old full. Yeah, I'm not seeing a voltage on this bad boy. Well, no time like the present. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Spokes joining me for this video. What are you up to, bud? So, we're going to clean this guy up just a little bit. See if we can see the voltage on her. Oh, thank God. It's a 12 volt. What's important is we learned that it's a 12 volt. So, we can hook her right up. Hey guys, okay, so now we're looking at the starter. I got it tied off, grounded. Red is on the battery intake. I can show you guys. The battery intake. But just to be safe, I'm gonna check. What? Okay, correction. We can't use the voltometer, or whatever the hell this thing's called. It's out of battery. So, just gonna have to wing it. This is a couple of wire rigged up on the back of the starter. Put it right on the ignition. And now, boom, just like yonder. Now, we will attach that to red, and we will see if it does anything. But I got it down to a 6 volt, so it shouldn't kill me. I hope. If I fuck up. So, yeah. Yeah, that really, that did a ring, had not a good ringer on it. The little teeth are really screwed up there. That's not a good look. That's what you have, a severely diminished gear right there. Actually, guys, I just found a problem. So when I was looking at this, I'll show you guys around. You see these right here? That's not, this broke off when in the disassembly, so I'm gonna have to solder a new connection right here, cause this isn't connected. This is just like little bristles, so I'm gonna have to do some soldering right there. But you guys can watch me do that, because I'll just do that right here. I have my soldering kit, so yeah. So after we repair that, then we'll try and test it and see if it's got any charge. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's get soldering. All right. So we are going to go ahead and do this. I'll set up the cam so you guys can get a better angle. But, yeah. So that could work. Let's kind of see what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to have a little weight right there. That works. Just want it to be at a nice kind of horizontal angle to gravity. So when I drip it, it just kind of fuses on like there. Let me get this wire out of here. This is my little wire from Fleet. Actually, no, probably Menards. Let's be real here. So I don't know if Fleet probably has this, but it's probably expensive right now. So I bought this a couple years ago. So, but yeah. Okay, she's still heating up. Not hot enough yet. But yeah, so we're gonna come in right here. We're gonna solder, just put some solder on here just so these hold, and then we'll be good. All right, let's try it now. Okay, she's ready. I was banking off it sticking, getting onto this, but it looks like it doesn't want to. Could be all the dirt particles on here. Okay, I got one. I got one on there. Fuse, bugger, fuse. Yeah, I'm probably using the wrong wire for this, so. But I don't have any other material, so I just gotta work with what I got. But it's the way of the world. Okay, it fused to that, so just need more. Let's try the other side. There's got some more spots over here. Alright, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on this side. Just kind of shaping it around. Just gonna draw around it like a little circle from side to side. Okay. Touch up the other side. Yeah, this one that'll run away here. Okay. Now I got a full circle. Let's test and see if it's secure. It's better. Could get some in there. I don't know if you guys can see this spot, but this will be kind of tricky. Come on, you can stick. Ah, there it goes. A little bit more. Let's connect these two together. There. Now I got almost a full circle. I'm just missing one side. I think that's all I need though. It's not going anywhere. This is connected now, so we're good. Hey buddy. How you doing? What are you doing? Good boy. Yep, he doesn't like the shed too much, but just gotta keep an eye on him because he's still gets kind of nervous when he's alone, so just gotta stay close. But other than that, oh gosh, what the heck? Yeah. So, anyways, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? So yeah, we'll go check this out. We'll start up the starter, and yeah. Okay, so now for the starter test, I'm gonna see how she goes. See if she's still in operation. I can just replace the gear and she goes, or do I need to buy a whole new starter? That's the real question there. So, why don't we start it? So I'll hook up my ignition wire. This one goes right on yonder. Yep. Don't know what the hell this other wire is, but we're just gonna ignore that. And take my red, put it here. My black. Take your black, put it right over here. Actually, that one, I'll start here. Because I wouldn't be able to put it there if I didn't do that a little bit of work. So, I'll try this one out. Put these bad boys together. And see what's going on. Gloves, safety goggles. But I think we're working good, so we'll try that out. Okay, so that wasn't actually working. Maybe I got it on the wrong ignition one. Let's try that one. Yeah, I think the starter's dead. So, safe to assume, starter's dead. Okay, so out of suspicion, I think I'm gonna try something else. Cause this raggedy wire might actually not be doing the job. But I don't like the black and red being this close to each other, but I want to try it and make sure the starter's actually dead or not. Yeah, so I'll try to I'll open her up and see what the hell's going on. So hopefully, let's see what's going on with that. Off. Okay. Come on, I need you to lock in. I need you to lock in there, buddy. Why are you not locking? Try this way. That's better. Okay. Hands free. Right. Okay. I don't even know if I'm getting power to begin with. Gotta test. Yep, we got power. You see the spark. Yeah, I think the starter's dead, so that's safe to assume. I think, yeah. So I'll just order another one of those. I will see you guys in the next video whenever I install the starter into the Dune Buggy. So we'll have to get that figured out. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. All right. Peace.